Hey, we're at the cosella-dorken booth, and I wanted to show you a few products from these guys that I think are really revolutionary. Some of their really high-tech products are new, and some have been around for a long time, but haven't necessarily been available in the United States for very long. If you've watched my videos, you've seen me use this Delta Vent SA, Delta Facade S, and this really cool ventilated stucco assembly I've done with their Delta Dry Stucco and Stone. These products are really very, very interesting and unique in the house wrap category. And I've got with me today Norbert, the product manager from Germany. Norbert, I appreciate you taking time for me today.
Thank you.
Tell me about cosella-dorken. I don't know that many people in the States know your company. How long have you guys been around?
So we are a family-owned business in Germany, and we started in 1892.
Wow.
So we have about more than 110 years now, waiting for our 125th anniversary.
Man, that's really cool.
And being in this business, the focus always was to protect property. And we are doing our membranes since more than 50 years now.
Wow.
And always developing, taking a lot of efforts in R&D, always trying to be state-of-the-art in production, to be able to produce high-performance materials.
That's really cool, Norbert. For my American builder friends out there, you know, a lot of times old houses for us are like 1950s houses. At least they are for me in Austin, Texas. What's an old house for you in Germany?
Well, whether it's in Germany or in Europe, old houses may be some 100 years old.
Wow.
And but also these old buildings have to fulfill high efficiency, energy efficiency needs. And therefore they have to work together with high performance materials. And so it's very important to protect also these old structures to work over the next decades and over the next centuries.
Yeah, that's really cool. Hey, back to a couple products of yours that I think are really interesting. First, I wanted to showcase Delta Vent SA. You know, this is a sticky house wrap, basically, that's very highly permeable, and you don't see this product category used very often in the States. This is fairly new. Basically, this is a peel and stick membrane that's very highly permeable. It's sticky on the back, and so this house wrap is going to not only manage the water on the house, on the outside of the house, but it's also going to manage air and vapor. And so this is really kind of a 3-in-1 product, which I think you guys are going to see a lot of traction in the United States with. But tell me also about what you guys have done a ton of basement offerings. I don't build basements in Texas, but we've got a lot of houses in the US with basements. Tell me about your basement offerings.
We have basement offerings that we are producing dimple structures, whether it's for protection or also whether it's for drainage. Mm-hmm. It's always important to take the water away from the building so that you have a secure and dry construction, and then it can work over many, many years.
And then in terms of waterproofing for basements, what's your main product for that?
We also have waterproofings. It's a peel and stick material. Mm-hmm. It's Delta Thin. It's also same as easy installed like Delta Vent SA. So it's easy to get a waterproofing on your basement structure to be sure that no water is able to come in and destroy or deteriorate your structure.
That's really cool. You know, when I was building basements, we used a lot of tar-based products in the basement, but these 40 and 60 mil membranes that you guys offer that are all peel and stick, I think those are really best practice because now you're going to be able to span those cracks that are going to invariably happen in basements. Norbert, thank you for your time. If you're not familiar with these guys, ask your local retailer. They've been selling in the United States now for about 4 years or so, and so they've got good coverage in the US, but you need to ask for it. You also might check out their website, cosella-dorken.com. Thanks for joining me, everybody. We'll see you next time.